Ever pondered the mystery behind solar cells? How do they harness the power of the sun and turn it into electricity? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of solar energy, unraveling the secrets of solar cells and their operation. At the heart of every solar cell, there's a tale of light and shadow, of particles and waves. This story begins with the sun, a star that bathes our planet in a constant stream of energy. This energy travels to us in the form of light, but not just any light. Sunlight is packed with tiny particles called photons. Solar cells, often made from silicon, consist of two layers. Picture these layers like a sandwich, with one layer having a positive charge and the other a negative charge. This creates an electric field, much like the one around a magnet. Now, here's where the magic happens. When a photon from the sun hits the solar cell, it can give one of its energy to an electron in the silicon. This energy boost allows the electron to jump across the electric field and escape from its normal position in the silicon atom. This is where the photon's energy gets transformed into electrical energy. The electron, now free, is driven by the electric field towards the negative layer. This movement of electrons creates a current, and voila, we have electricity. But we're not done yet. To make this energy usable, the current is directed into an inverter, which transforms it from direct current to alternating current, the type of electricity most household appliances use. So, in a nutshell, solar cells work by using sunlight to knock electrons free from their atoms, creating a flow of electricity. This process is clean, sustainable, and incredibly efficient, making solar energy one of the most promising resources for our energy-hungry world. To summarize, here's how solar cells work. 1. Photons in sunlight hit the solar cell and are absorbed by the silicon. 2. Energy from the photons is transferred to the electrons, allowing them to escape their atoms. 3. The electric field in the solar cell pushes these free electrons into a current. 1. This electric current is then converted into usable electricity by an inverter. Solar cells, then, are truly remarkable devices. They take the raw, wild energy of the sun and tame it into something we can use to power our lives. They're a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of sustainable living, and a glimpse of our potential future. With every ray of sunlight, they're turning the power of the stars into the power of the future. Now, isn't that something to marvel at?